KTN Morning Express. I hope you've enjoyed the little chit-chat that unajua mambo ya politics, that's what they were discussing earlier on. But right about now, you are on Hot Topics. We're going to start with Hot Topics, then later on, we'll have a short discussion with the best boy band in Africa, Sauti Sol. I'm your host, Brian Aseli, and of course, on the Hot Gang, I have one sidekick. May sound wrong. But just introduce yourself so that people get to know you this morning. Good
morning, guys. MC Ivy is my name. Super excited to be back. You know, yet another Friday. Remember, Friday jioni tunakonga KTN home for Kubash Daily. But today, I'm just here, you know, hot ganging. Eh?
And that's how we start this Hot Topics. First things first. It seems that in as much as maybe your father is the president of a whole nation, home rules are home rules, okay? Home rules are home rules, and that's why this week, according to one of the tabloids, it stated that one of Uhuru Kenyatta's sons sneaked out of their family home to go and meet with a girlfriend, okay? So the president was so pissed at this, and it actually just made him really angry. And if you can't remember who he is, I think we need to take a look at that clip. But Ivy, hebu niambie kwanza unafeel aje juu hii story?
First of all, mzazi ni mzazi. I think I will say that because he may be the president of this country, but at the end of the day, he's still a dad and he's watching out for, you know, his children. And it's good that even him coming out to, you know, his story could break out to a public rather, knowing that he's a disciplinarian in his house and in this nation. Ukifanya ujinga, you are aligned.
I'd like you to take a look at that clip. Hiyo clip ndio inatukumbusha vile alituambia nyinyi nyote. I hope he didn't speak to his dad like that. Take a look at that clip. Our president decided to just talk to his son and told him it's very bad that you decided to go out and something would have happened to the family. Because any time you corona, you never know. And the grandma is like 86 years old. Yeah. So the president was pretty much worried about the mom and no one else and the family. Is your grandmother alive?
One of my grandmothers is alive, and I'm sure even if I also tried something like that, pia mimi ningekuwa smacked and called out. So, you know, he needs to be responsible either way, whether you're the, you know, president's son or not. You need to be careful out here. Yeah.
Africa Day benefit concert is one of the things that happened later last week, and it was super exciting to learn that Africa can be joined in one concert, just to make sure that you get to know what we are talking about. It was a benefit concert where people had to raise money online, and it was an online concert. We're going to be playing you the clip later on, but right now we just want you to get to know that Idris Elba was hosting it. Idris Elba is an award-winning Academy actor, and let's check the clip, and then Ivy, you're going to give me your 2 cents on what you enjoyed. And of course, you have a complaint that you're not able to do something towards the benefit concert.
It was very concerning, but we'll talk about it after these guys watch the clip.
Take a look at this clip.